Hello friends, good evening. I am Shubhangi Sanjay Borde from Buldana. Now, today's date is 29 December 2021 and today's video topic is why string is immutable in Java. So, let's see. First of all, we discuss the shortly introduction of string. So, first of all, what is the string? So we know that Java is the object-oriented programming language and Java provides the concept of a string. So the string is basically an object that represent the characters sequence of characters value. So string class provide the lots of methods to perform the operations such as concat method, compare to method, replace method, split method, intern method, and substring method. That is all method provided by the string. So string class implemented by using the serializable, comparable, and character sequence interface. So next is our today's video topic is why string is immutable. So the simple meaning of immutable is the unchangeable values. So Java class the concept of string string literal. Suppose there are 5 reference variable, all refer to the one object, that's Sachin. If one reference variable change the value of the object, it will be affected by all reference variable. That is why string objects are immutable in Java. So, some features of string which make string object is immutable. So the first one is class loader. So first of all, what is the class loader? So the define is a class loader in Java uses a string object and an argument. Consider if the string object is modifiable, the value might be changed, and the class that is supposed to be loaded might be different. To avoid this kind of misdirection, string is immutable. So the next one is thread safe. As the string object is immutable, we don't have to take care of the synchronization that is required while sharing an object across multiple threads. The next is security. As we have seen in class loading, immutable string object avoid the further errors by loading the correct class. This leads to making the application program more secure. Consider an example of banking softwares. The username and password cannot be modified by any intruder because string objects are immutable. This can make the application program more secure. The next one is heap space. What is heap space? The immutability of string helps to minimize the uses in the heap memory. When we try to declare a new string object, JVM checks whether the value already exists in the string pool or not. If it exists in the same value, if it is exist in the new string object, the JVM checks whether the value already exists in the string pool or not. The same value is assigned to the new object. This features all Java to use the heap space efficiently. So the next shortly question is the why string class is final in Java. So the reason behind the string class being final is because no one can override the method of the string class, so that is can provide the same feature to the new string object as well as to old ones. So that's all about it. Why string is immutable. The so answer that is thank you.